This 2016 Forest River Berkshire XL 40RB is a Class A RV. It is located in Middlebury, in 46,540 and is offered for sale by Royal RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 86 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, rear bath. This 2016 Forest River Berkshire XL 40RB is built on a Freightliner XCR chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.